In my late 20s, I experienced several sports-related injuries to my lower right leg in particular, including broken toes, a broken foot, sprained ankles, and damaged Achilles tendon. And because of one of these injuries, I had to wear a foot cast for 6 to 7 weeks. And after taking the cast off, my physical activity was really limited. And as a result, my calf muscle, my right calf muscle that is, and my right thigh muscles decreased in size tremendously. My right calf muscle was tiny after this injury. So in order to build up the size again, I started doing calf raises gradually and eventually returned to my old routine of doing 100 reps a day, several times a week, for my right leg only. Because my right calf muscle was small, I focused on doing calf raises just for that leg. And then when my calves regained size, I tapered off this calf training. And you can do the same. If you have one calf that is smaller than the other, do more calf raises for that smaller one and do fewer calf raises or calves training for the other. And eventually both calves should be the same size.